Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am going to share with you all my Veltech kit. So hope you will like this video. So without delay, let's begin. So guys, first in Veltech kit, we got this draft. It looks like this. Like this. This is a drafter. This is called the drafter. In this, we can just adjust in this the table and we can just type in this. This is the board we can type. Through this board we can type according to our comfortness or to adjust, and this is a small and big scale. While drawing we can use this scale because this is a very used and comfortable to making this. Now we can type like this and we need to fold like this. It will be easy to carry in this bag. So guys, hope you understood what is this. This is a drafter which we can use to making a drawing in an easy subject. Easy is nothing but easy engineering graphics. While making this drawing we can use this. This is called a drafter. And next our item is this is chart holder. Give a lot of projects work or charts or assignments, lot of things or lot of stuff they will give. Then in there what we need to do, we need to make as a A4 papers or A3 papers, or we have a big charts. So we can draw this or to what they work given we can assign to complete this, and we can store like this to fold. It will be very easy to carry from our hostel or our where we are staying in PG or outside or out in the room, and it will be very easy to carry in the college without broken or without any interruption. So this is in this they given some A3 papers, A3 or some A4 paper also. In A3 they given A3 paper they are giving I think 50 papers per student. They are providing 50 papers in this Baltic kit which we are already paid while taking admission in first year, because this is a kit they are providing first year only. So A4 papers 100 and A3 50 I think they are giving. So this is the A4 paper. So you see like this we can keep, and this is the cover. We can carry like this also, or we can keep in bag too. So this is the chart holder. And my next item is they are providing a one calci which is cost around 550 rupees or 600 approx. Yeah, 500. So this is the calci which was company is Casio. This is a very good and branded company, and in this calci we have a lot of functions or multiple functions. We can use it like differentials or integrations or additions, subtractions, or some powers or exponential fractions or exponential power also. So it is a very easy to use. While in less time we can do a lot of calculation or very big calculation. So it looks like this. We have here a lot of functions which we can use in there, and this is the mode clear. We can clear. This is the on off, and this is if alpha, and this is they are providing. We have a multiple function while pressing this. You know guys, this calci how to use this. So it looks like this. And another in kit our item is this dictionary. They are providing Cambridge Learning Dictionary. In this Cambridge Learners Dictionaries, we have a lot of meanings that we can use or to learn what is the modern languages or what is the modern dictionaries words which we are changes to or to pronounce, and it will be very easy to communicate someone. If someone people is having not much communication skills or they need to improve their communication skills, then they people can use this. This is very fruitful, and still I think when they are giving I think 2 or 3 pages only I study, I read, and then after still I just keep like this only. So it is, and then after still I just keep like this only. It's a new dictionary on that first day, even after today only I am showing you. Only by making this video only I am showing you this. This is the texture. So hope guys you will like this item also. This is a very useful and very great item to us in our kit they are providing. And our next item is this. This is engineering instrument set. In this we have a lot of compass or protractor, lot of things they are using like this. This is the best things you can see like this they are providing. And in series we have next item is big scales like this in triangular shape. This is also a very specific. While using they will give some instructions based on that we need to draw some lines, dots, or some streaks, marks. And this is one. This is triangular shape, but this is not the perfect triangular shape. This is nothing but this is a different shape. But this is also something specific to design or something to mark something, dots, something things like that. So this is also one more scale. This is the template. Looks like a green color. In there we have a lot of things. This is a protector, some rectangular shape, not a proper rectangular, heptagon, octagon, circle, small circle, or this is arc. How we can draw the arcs, that is the perfect arcs we need to draw, and where we need to draw these, and this is some small dots. This is to show the specific angles. So in this we have a lot of things. If you are using this, some people knows how to use this, and someone who is going to do the engineering, and those who are watching this video, and for their people it is a very new thing. So hope you You will very soon you will explore this, and this is a very good and very essential things. And in EG there most of the things which we are using mostly, this is the things, this is the template we are using most of them. In series we have a next item is this. This is nothing but this is a prospectus, our Veltech University. This is all about the Veltech University, what is the campus, what is the freshman engineering, what is the dean and all the faculties list, and dean, our HODs, all department HODs, and what is the schedules, what is the history, and what is the vision and missions, leaderships, lot of things they are providing, rules, regulations, credit-based systems, and what is the timetable, attendance, exam cell, distribution cell, all the campuses, and the fees payment process, student achievement, and lot of things they are providing this. So this is all about the Veltech University history, or we can say this is a student handbook which they are providing in first year. And this is a small book they are providing in this. This is a to write something or to make some small notes, or to write important date or something important note, you can write it. Next, they are providing this observation lab or practical session, then you need to bring this practical observation. In this we have at class we have a lot of graphs, and in front it looks like this. So this is a small papers, drawing papers, geometry papers, we need to write something. And in series we have another things. This is the record notebook. This is the record notebook also they are providing this. And next they are providing some notebooks also. This is small notebooks, and they are providing one long notebook also, one or two long notebooks they are providing. In this also we have these pages. This is a small kit. This is called a hex wrench set. This is a set which we are using in our labs. Whose students are going to do in mechanical engineer, aeronautical engineer, automobile engineering, and civil engineering. They people only will get this kit. This is called the hex wrench set kit. In this we have a lot of wrenches. We are going in lab, then we need to lose or we need to open some screws or some bolts nuts, then there we can use this. Actually this is a kit whose students want to take their personal in lab while going to lab or attending lab. So I also buy this. Actually this is not the kit, they are not providing this, we need to buy some from other shops or out of the campus. It will be available easily in online, or you can also buy from shops also. Yeah, so I think that's all about the most of the things. Now the time to get small things, small stuff also they are providing. So let's start. We have this one scale which they are providing. They are providing this one also. Wait, I will show you this. This one card also they are providing this. In this card they are written their contact number or their timing, and there is panel, everything details. I think Veltech main details. If you have any problems or you cannot say to someone, or you are telling to your warden or your college or mentors, everything in colleagues, everything you are telling, but your problem is not getting solved, then you can call in this number. Whatever your problem, you can immediately get the help from this. This is also very important for you. Next, they are providing this small scale. They are providing one compass. One more important thing, they are providing these clips also. While going to this EG table, there we need to keep our A4 papers or our A3 notebooks or A3 papers. We can attach or we can hold this to these clips. So this clip looks like this. This is not the pencil. This is a different sets pencils. In this we have a HB pencil, and this is 2H pencil. This is H pencil. This is also H pencil. This is 2H pencil. This is normal pencil. This is HB pencil. This is H pencil. This is not the pencils on it. This is not a normal pencil. This is the different shapes pencil. Through this, they will give some instruction. Based on it, we need to use that the pencil, and to pick something or to make to significant something. They will say according to that you need to use this pencil. So in this is the pencils they are providing. This is the normal pencils. In this we have some small dots. As you can see, this is the pencil. You can see this nib. This is one more pencil, another quality's pencils they are providing. They are providing these sharpeners, these types of sharpeners or erasers. Yeah, as you can see, this is the pencil sharpeners. I typed this. So this is the sharpeners, erasers. I did a lot of hard works for making this video. So hope guys, if you like, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and to press the bell icon too. And don't forget to share with your friends also. This is, and some pens also they are providing. So this is all about this Veltech KIT. So guys, that's all about in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like it, then don't forget to do like, share, subscribe and comment and press the bell icon too. And we'll see you next video. Thank you so much for watching.